Strawberry Schaum Torte is a light, fluffy marshmallow meringue that's spongy with crispy edges filled with layers of fresh whipped cream and fresh cut strawberries. And that's what we're cooking up here today at Lakeside Table. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today Addie, my granddaughter, is helping me out here in the kitchen today.
Hi.
So have you ever had Schaum Torte?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, do you like marshmallows?
Yeah.
Do you like strawberries?
Yeah.
Do you like whipped cream?
Yeah.
Okay, then you are gonna love this. It takes a really long time to make though.
Okay.
So are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
The first thing we're going to do is whip up 8 egg whites with 1 teaspoon white vinegar on medium speed for 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon salt and beat until you see soft peaks form. When it starts to look like this, slowly add 1½ cups sugar and continue to beat until they turn glossy and they make stiff peaks.
When the egg whites are done, line an ungreased springform pan with parchment paper just on the bottom.
Then gently put the meringue into it.
Then it goes into a 250-degree oven for 1½ hours.
Okay, Addie, so there are 2 important tricks to making a super spongy Schaum Torte with an extra crispy crust. Want to know what those are?
Yeah.
All right, excellent. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bake it for 90 minutes in a 250-degree oven, and you do not want to open the door.
Okay.
That's the first thing. Don't open the door.
Okay.
The second thing is after it's done cooking, you leave it in there, you still don't open the door, and you leave it in there for another 2 hours.
That's a really long time.
Yeah, it really is. And that's why I made this one ahead of time, so we can go ahead and put it all together, and then you can tell me if it's worth the wait.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So the cool thing about cooking at home is that you get to decide whether something is sweet enough. So this is 2 cups heavy whipping cream with 3/4 cup powdered sugar and a little bit of vanilla. So test it out and tell me if you think we got it sweet enough. Yeah, is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, awesome. Okay, so let's layer up our Schaum Torte. All right, let's do it.
Third time a charm.
Yeah. To put this all together, we're gonna take it out of springform pan and we're gonna very carefully take the top crispy top off. Okay,
Okay, so then we can put it on the cake stand, right?
you got it. So why don't you go ahead and grab that. Perfect. And we'll get this off.
Ooh.
Oh, ha, ha, ha.
That looks amazing.
Good. To the edges like this, we're just gonna very gently take a knife and pry it off the edges. If it breaks, that's okay. It's kind of a messy dessert, but it's really good.
Okay.
I very carefully take the top off. And can you see the spongy
Yeah.
bottom? And then after it's all assembled, we'll stick the crispy edges back on. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off the bottom of the springform pan. This is why we lined it with parchment paper. First, we've got a layer of whipped cream.
Okay.
And then you're gonna follow it up with some strawberries.
All right.
Put it right on top.
Sprinkle it over.
Sprinkle it over. There we go.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, yeah, let's just
We
keep
good?
going, keep going.
Keep going.
This is awesome. And you
Scoop it out?
You got it. Got it?
One last one.
Do it.
Ah.
There we go.
There we go.
We got them all. So now we're gonna end with the rest of the whipped cream. And then that way the crispy edges have something to stick to.
Okay.
So now, if you'll give me a hand, we'll just take some of these big pieces
Big.
and little pieces. And we'll just
put it on there.
yep, just put it right on top like a crazy jigsaw puzzle. All right, let's see here. Oh my gosh, it's like a big mountain of fluff. Fork for you.
Thank you.
Fork for me. marshmallowy, spongy bottom layer. Strawberry. What do you think?
It's really good.
Isn't that nice? It's really light and fluffy and spongy and crispy.
And it has right amount of sweetness in it.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us here at Lakeside Table. And for this full recipe, just go over to my blog, lakesidetable.com, for the full recipe. And if you're not going to make this right away, stick around for the next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.
And I don't know if I can get up.
Need help?